In this video, we'll show you how to set up the Fixturlaser dial indicator kit. Follow these steps in order, and your setup will be finished in a matter of minutes. Mount the first V-bracket to one shaft and hand tighten the nut. Using the tightening tool, turn the nut one full turn. Mount the second V-bracket to the opposite shaft. Hand tighten the nut. For now, leave this fixture loose enough to adjust. Next, measure the distance between the two V-brackets, center to center. Select the appropriate rod length. From the rod holder, the rod should extend 1 inch shorter than the distance you measured between the two V-brackets. Set the second rod to the same length in the second rod holder. Offset the two V-brackets before attaching the rod holders. Attach both rod holders to the posts. Hand tighten the nuts. Rotate the loose V-bracket into position so that the dial clamp hole is directly over the top of the landing pad. Hand tighten the loose V-bracket. Then use the tightening tool to turn the nut one full turn. Make sure both V-brackets are securely fixed to the shafts. Attach the first dial and tighten the clamp. Adjust the rod holder up or down until the dial is set to half travel. Next, attach the second dial. Tighten the clamp. Now you're ready to align. The Fixturlaser Dial Indicator Kit was designed to be used with the free Fixturlaser Dials app. See our instructional video for a step-by-step guide on how to perform an alignment using the free app.